So, we all make mistakes, don't we? Sometimes we need to apologize. For instance, a way to apologize in Spanish is to say, lo siento. That means, I'm sorry. If I'm very sorry, you say, lo siento mucho. Lo siento mucho. Maybe you want to say it wasn't your intention and you're very sorry. Lo siento mucho. No fue mi intención. No fue mi intención. It wasn't my intention. Maybe you're just walking and you just step into someone. So you say, perdón, perdón. All right? That's more casual. Perdón, perdón. So let's say you move clumsily and then you just hit someone next to you. You say, oh, disculpa. If you don't know the person, you say, disculpe, disculpe. So far we have lo siento mucho, perdón, disculpa, and disculpe. Now you want to say it's not going to happen again. No volverá a pasar. No volverá a pasar. Maybe you want to say you didn't mean it. You say, no quise hacerlo. No quise hacerlo. Like, I didn't want to do it. Maybe you want to say it was your fault. So, fue culpa mía. This is, it was my fault. Fue culpa mía. Perdón. Fue culpa mía. Lo siento. No quise hacerlo. I'm sorry, I didn't want to do it. Pero no volverá a pasar. It's not going to happen again. Okay? Now if you want to say, just forgive me. Perdóname. Perdóname. Por favor, perdóname. Please forgive me. Now the person is nice. They want to forgive you. They're going to tell you, te perdono. Te perdono. All right? This is if it's a close person. They're going to say, te perdono. If it's just someone that like you hit with your shopping bag, you're gonna say, disculpe. They can say, está bien, está bien. They can also say there's no problem, like, no hay problema, no hay problema. And then if they say, te perdono, if they forgive you, you can say, gracias por tu comprensión. Thanks for your understanding. If it's a friend or a family member or something like that. If it's more formal, you can still say the same sentence, but you say, gracias por su comprensión. Gracias por su comprensión. I hope this was helpful. Nos vemos en el próximo video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Ciao.